the award for highlights from yesterday's birthday party.
Still doing fish round.
Why giving side view? Okay. You're gonna try it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Okay.
Let's go.
Hi guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going for an helicopter ride and it's not far from the house, so we decided to take a walk instead of driving and like getting where to park and stuff like that. Why don't we just take a walk to the helicopter ride? Yeah, and this is me in my fine African print strolling on the streets of Toronto like the T is silent. Oh my goodness. Let's go! We are coming to the end of this vlog, end of this trip, and reality is about to set in, guys. Reality. But it was a very good 2 weeks of our vacation. We had fun. Did you have fun? We had fun, and it was like a whole new different experience, and I can't wait to be back. Well, it looks like when we are going to be back, it's going to be winter, and I don't like traveling in winter because I know what I faced last year when we went to the US. It was a whole lot of cold, and it was just cold, and like there are less activities during the winter because everybody's just trying to hide and stay inbuilt, stay indoor. Yeah. Enough of the talking. Let me show you guys my environment, because someone said I don't really show my environment, and I was like, it's so cold under this tree. How many more minutes? We're already here. Okay, the airport, Abby. Wow, so not even far. Thank God we didn't drive. This is the airport close to our house, Abby. Yep. Wow, this is very interesting. Cool much. Woo, woo, woo. 10K steps. Shabby. Okay, this turn now. 10K steps shall be met. I don't want to pass. I was about to say. I think this is the first. I think this is the first activity that we're early for. Is it just me? Because we are always running. When I mean running, or I say running, we are always driving or trying to like race to wherever. Example was that the fireworks night. Good. We went to a location. We saw that if we walk, or the minute we're going to use to walk, they would have started the firework. And after they driving to another location, it was more like yesterday too. Before we went for the baseball match, we were rushing, but today we rushed our year hell early. So let me show you guys like a banner of the Heli Tour Canada. How can I make videos when we are running?
Your outfits.
Eh?
You know the video of your outfits.
That's what we see.
That's when we go start something to happen now.
I even edit down. I already did the videos today. So we're just actually waiting because they said they're not open yet. They're open like, let's say a few minutes to 12, yeah. And the time is 11:25. So can't wait to go on my helicopter ride. It's not like I've been on an helicopter before, but first time being on an helicopter. It feels like it's going to be a whole new different experience. Even if my heart is not that strong because I'm afraid of heights, and it's an helicopter. Helicopter is more small, you know. Plane is more like big. There's like there's space. Well, the helicopter is you, the pilots. I believe they call them pilots.
Yes, sir. Okay, fly something. If you both drive, don't call themselves pilots.
You the pilot, and I think yeah, two seats at the back. So let's go. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. So I'll take you guys. Please come.
Chill bag.
Veggie berry.
Wear pink. No. Okay. I don't have my picture washed. Plus, we have to text Dan too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Company wide.
So you can place your bag inside.
Okay.
So put the headphones on.
Thank you.
So after watching the video, you guys need to stay here, okay?
That's okay.
Ready?
Yes, we're ready. You guys, I had like a swell time getting on the helicopter ride. It got to a point I was like, God, who sent me? Oh, I don't tell my mommy that I am how many feet up in the sky. It was exciting and it got really scary at a point where I didn't even have to explain it. Just like, okay, let's say when you're about to take off in an airplane where your tummy just like sinks a bit and stuff like that. Yeah, it just felt, and it got to a point also where it was a bit windy and the helicopter was just shaking. I was like, hey God. But overall it was great. It was interesting. I saw the city from up and it felt good. Yeah, so I've seen a bit of Toronto up in the sky, and we even saw CN Tower. I was like, oh more, you really can see CN Tower from everywhere. And when we were done, we because the airport is 85, right? Yeah, so we had to like take some quiz, and I won a bag, a tote bag. I'm currently one like a, what they call it, that stuff you attach to the back of your phone so that you can hold it. Yeah, so you won. So but that bus noise was deafening. So he won that, and also like we won some badge of the airport, the name of the airport. Yeah, so walking back home, and we're almost home actually. See Loblo, about to cross. See you guys later. Tisu came to see me, and
It's so tiny. I like it. It's cute.
oh my goodness! After how many years? We've done TikTok. We should have done. Yeah, you sweet. Boya lo de lo Maggie. It's not that I'm just remembering. You should have. I didn't even say Popepe. Because if you say Indomie, I can eat it. Anything you give me.
This is small, it's my too.
Adina. Gosh, you're sweet. Baby. I am at you 5 years. I get you get it. Please don't kill me.
I'm going to put video myself. It's all
Hey. Hi guys. This is the end of this vlog, and we're going back home. Are you excited to be going back home? It's a yes. It's a yes or no question. So apparently our flight got moved. We're supposed to like board like around 11 and fly by 11, but now our flight got moved to like 2, so we'll be at the airport till that time. Yeah. If you have not liked, subscribed, share, this is your cue to do that now. Do not forget. See my hair. This is the end of the Canada vlog. See you guys in my next vlog. Until then, peace. Signing out.